Guys, be careful here while opening this cover, especially take care for this o-ring and washer, and if possible do the marking so that while assembling you will be putting at the same place, so it can minimize your risk of seawater leakage. Guys, use this same bolt for jacking, and by this way you can take out this cover of the shaft, and then after you can take out this lamp glass very easily because you have the access. Now you can see you have direct access inside the UV cleaner. This is the UV cleaner, and it will be not rotating clockwise or anti-clockwise. On the shaft it will be moving axially. So this is the part. All we have to change this packing, and at the center this post, sometimes it gets damaged, so better to replace it.